Hi everyone, today is Saturday evening, May 2022, Memorial Day weekend. This is the H loop. So I'm at site H19. The H loop are for RVs. So you see a lot of RVs over here, all different types. Some are large, some are smaller. This one, someone is doing surfboarding here. This is cute. This is like a towing RV trailer. So over here is a little bit larger. Oh, it pops out. So let me go head to the beach. Because in the first video I showed you this area, and now I'm gonna show you how the beach looks like. Nice clear sand. Ooh. I don't think the water is warm enough to swim yet. Wow, the water is up to here, up to the sand dunes already. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. Wow, there's someone's fishing here. Wow. That is amazing. So this is the Atlantic Ocean. South of Long Island, South Shore, East Tip End. This is Montauk. Oh, that's a nice house over here with a beach view. Wow, I'm surprised that the water is already up here now. Wow, look at that. Look at the waves. That's why the lady went surfboarding. And this guy's fishing. Holy moly, look at that. It's like man versus nature. I guess it must be a popular fishing spot because there's another person fishing here. Wow, look at that view. I wonder if there's any fish over here. Look at that. So someone's building a fire pit over there. If you go walk further down all to the tip, that is Montauk Lighthouse. So this is one of the reasons why people go camping at this campsite. Now, I did book this campsite 9 months in advance. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Look at these sand dunes. I've never seen something like this on the beach before. But then it is 8 o'clock. So I've never been to the beach this late before. So this is how it looks like at night at the beaches. The water, I guess it's from the high tide going up. Wow, look at that. Because I'm pretty sure that during this morning and during the afternoon you could probably swim over here, and the water is probably a lot less Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. Atlantic Ocean. Just look at this. The water rushes up here and then it goes back down. Back to the ocean. Wow. Wow, look at those waves. And look how clean this beach is. Do you see that? Look how clean it is. Oh, that's romantic. Wow, look at this view. And it's the view of the sunset too. Wow, this is getting higher. The water is rising. Wow, people's gonna get washed away later. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, let's head back to the H loop. Wow, that is amazing. If you see take a look at the top, I'm at the J loop up there. So if you book at the J loop, you get the ocean view. Wow, look at those houses. Those houses must be multi-million dollars to have an ocean view like this. It's a nice, interesting RV. Over there to the back, that's the bathroom and the shower. So this is the H loop, the RV loop. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.